Hey guys, Abdul here with 615 Auto, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how to change out the front passenger seat on a 2006 to 2011 Honda Civic. First, you want to start off with disconnecting the battery terminal because the seat is connected with the airbag. So we're going to disconnect the battery right now. It'll be a 10 millimeter. So once that's disconnected, just tuck it in away from the terminal. You should be good to go. So now what you want to do is you want to grab a 14 millimeter socket in your ratchet. There's two bolts in the front, one right there and the other one right there. And now on to the second one. And on the back of the seat, you have two 14 millimeter bolts as well. One is right here under this plastic, one's right here under that plastic. So we're gonna start by removing that little plastic housing. Pull that away. Get this one out. And as you can see, there's one right there and one right there. We're gonna take these ones are a little bit tougher to get to, so make sure you have an extension. I already loosened these up from previous. So once you've removed the last two bolts in the back, what you want to do is you want to come to the front and lift the seat up just like this. You can see that there's four plugs that you need to unplug. Here's one right here, here's another one, here's the third one, and here's the fourth one. And please make sure that your battery is disconnected because these are airbag switches and it could be very dangerous. Even though the airbag is already popped in this seat, it still can be very dangerous. So please make sure your battery is disconnected. So for the yellow switches, there's these two black clips on the side. You want to pull them up and pull out, and it comes out just like that. For the white one, you can get a flat head, push up on the little tab, and it comes out just like that. We got another yellow one here. It comes out just like that. And now your seat should be free from the car. And there it is, it's out. And now we're gonna install the new one. Hey guys, I forgot to mention don't forget to remove the seat belt. It's attached right here. It's also a 14 millimeter, and once you remove that, it should be on. So guys, here's the new seat. It has its airbag in. And we're gonna go on, and I'm gonna show you how to install it. So installing it is exactly reverse order of what you did to take it out. I'm gonna go on, put it in right now, line it up, then I'm gonna show you how to connect everything and hook everything up. Might be easier to take the headrest out. Alright guys, before you start putting the bolts in, you want to make sure you get your plugs in first. This way it'll make it really easy for you to reach under while the chair is still loose. We're just going to go on and plug everything. You still want to make sure that your battery is disconnected. Make sure you pull this clip back. Once everything's hooked up, nice and snug, go on and start putting our bolts in. When installing the new bolts in, you want to make sure you get them as hand tight as possible so you won't strip any threads in the process. All right. Still 14 millimeter. You want to make sure these are pretty tight because you don't want your passenger flying out the window. Same process for the back. You want to get it as hand tight as possible. Oops, wrong way. Get it as tight as you can without stripping it. Finally, guys, don't forget to hook up your seat belt. It's also a 14 millimeter. Once you get that hooked up, disconnect, go and connect the battery, and you should be good to go. Thank you.